Lapu-Lapu City Public Market? Could we buy affordable price on this wet market? Report from Heather Tribe News. Focusing this on myself, exploring, shopping, eating.
The Lapu-Lapu City Public Market has received mixed reviews from visitors. It is highly appreciated for its diverse range of products, including woven items, wood carvings, and accessories, all crafted by talented local artisans. These products not only showcase the skill and creativity of the artisans but also represent the traditional craftsmanship passed down through generations. The market is more than just a place to shop for everyday necessities. It's a vibrant cultural destination that offers a glimpse into the rich traditions and flavors of the region's source. The market sells almost everything, including fresh produce like vegetables and fruits, fish, meat, eggs, cut flowers, bread, etc. source. However, the market has received a low rating of 2.39 on a local business listing source, and a rating of 5.0, 10 on Foursquare, where users have commented on the availability of cheap shoes, clothing, and a variety of seafood source. In conclusion, the Lapu-Lapu City Public Market offers a rich cultural experience with a wide variety of products, but it seems that the quality of the market might not meet everyone's expectations. The Lapu-Lapu City Public Market in the Philippines is a vibrant cultural destination that offers a variety of products. It is not only a place to shop for everyday necessities but also a place where you can immerse yourself in the rich traditions and flavors of the region. The market showcases a diverse range of products including woven items, wood carvings, and accessories, all crafted by talented local artisans. These items represent the traditional craftsmanship passed down through generations and reflect the rich history and culture of Lapu-Lapu City. By purchasing these locally made handicrafts, visitors contribute to the livelihoods of these artisans and help in preserving their skills and cultural heritage. The market also offers a wide variety of fresh produce like vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, eggs, and even cut flowers. At night, there are stalls selling extremely cheap shoes and clothing, as well as snacks. Overall, the Lapu-Lapu City Public Market is a must-visit for food enthusiasts, souvenir hunters, or anyone curious about the local culture. Enjoy buying your daily needs at Lapu-Lapu City Public, Cebu, Philippines. Enjoy watching my video and please join our Facebook group, at Hindi Kita Niyakapan. Nasa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, matatagpuan ang public market bilang isang abala at aktibong sentro ng kalakalan at pakikisalamuha sa komunidad. Ang makulay na pamilihan na ito ay nag-aalok ng iba't ibang uri ng sariwang prutas, isda, mga likhang kamay, at lokal na mga pagkain, na nagpapakita ng yaman ng kulturang Pilipino. Sa kanyang estratehikong lokasyon at malawak na hanay ng mga produkto, ang Lapu-Lapu City Public Market ay naglilingkod bilang isang mahalagang sentro ng ekonomiya para sa mga residente at bisita. Ang masiglang atmosfera ng pamilihan at ang mga mababait na nagtitinda ay lumilikha ng isang mapagkalingang kapaligiran para sa mga patrolyo na mag-explore, mamili, at magpakalugod sa masiglang kulturang lokal. Bilang isang batayan ng komunidad, ipinapahayag ng Lapu-Lapu City Public Market ang espiritu ng tradisyon, negosyo, at pagkakaisa ng komunidad.